What is Opus Reticulatum? Have you ever wondered how the Romans built their impressive structures? One fascinating technique they used is called Opus Reticulatum. This method was a unique way to construct walls using small, square stones arranged in a net-like pattern. The term Opus Reticulatum translates to network, which perfectly describes the diamond-shaped grid formed by these carefully placed stones. So, how did this technique work? Builders used small, pyramid-shaped tuff stones, which are a type of volcanic rock. These stones were set into a core of Roman concrete, known as opus cementitium. The pointed ends of the stones were embedded in the mortar, while their square bases faced outward. This arrangement created a regular, diagonal grid pattern on the wall's surface, resembling a mesh or net. The materials chosen for Opus Reticulatum were typically local stones, mainly tuff, selected for their durability and ease of use. Behind the visible stone facing, the concrete core provided strength and stability. This combination allowed for a solid structure that was also visually appealing. When constructing a wall using Opus Reticulatum, builders first created the concrete core as the main structural element. They then inserted the tough stones into the wet concrete at regular intervals, ensuring that the diamond pattern remained consistent. This technique was faster and more economical than using large stone blocks, allowing for quicker wall construction. Opus Reticulatum was commonly used in residential buildings, city walls, and public structures during the late Roman Republic and early Imperial periods. It was particularly popular in central Italy, including Rome and its surroundings. The technique combined structural strength with an attractive facade, making it a favored choice for both functional and decorative purposes. There were several advantages to using Opus Reticulatum. It allowed for faster construction compared to traditional ashlar masonry. The smaller stones were easier to quarry and shape, making it a more economical option. Additionally, when combined with Roman concrete, the walls were durable and resistant to weathering. The uniform and elegant wall surface also added to its appeal. However, Opus Reticulatum did have its limitations. Over time, the exposed tough stones became vulnerable to erosion in harsh climates. As a result, later Romans preferred other techniques, such as opus testaceum, which involved brick facing and offered greater durability. In summary, Opus Reticulatum represents a remarkable aspect of Roman architectural innovation. It showcases the Romans' ability to blend concrete technology with a distinctive stone-facing pattern. This method allowed for the rapid construction of sturdy walls that were both practical and visually striking in the urban environment of ancient Rome.